to the iCafe Studio. I'm Robin Rivnetz. Today, we're going to take a look at adding files to a OneNote notebook. To do so, you first need to open up OneNote. I'm going to go ahead and open up OneNote on my computer here. To do so on your computer, you may need to go to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and choose Microsoft Office OneNote 2013. Once OneNote opens, you're going to select the notebook in which you're choosing to add files to. So I'm going to go ahead and do some work in this iCafe Studio notebook, and I'm going to add some files to this specific notebook page. Now, the OneNote paper inside of OneNote, the pages here, again, they're very dynamic, they're fluid, meaning that anything can actually live on the paper, whether it's text, images, and or any sorts of files. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually take a Word document and put it onto the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move my notebook over here, and you can see on my desktop that I have a Word document that's hanging out right here. If I want this Word document to actually be stored inside this notebook, I can just click and drag and drop onto the page. Now when I drop, you will notice that I get two options. One says is attached to file, and the other one says insert a printout. If I choose the first option, you will simply see that that Word document now just drops onto the page. That is a working Word document. I can actually click on that file and open it up, and it would actually open up that Word document. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out right there. Close the Word document completely, and that's what it looks like if you just insert the file. I did have the other option, so I'm going to delete this out, and I'm going to show you what happens when you actually insert it as a printout. So in this time, I'm going to drag and drop, and when I do, I'm going to choose a second option to insert printout. When I insert the printout, what it's doing now, it's taking that file, it's going to move that file along to my OneNote page, but it's also going to show me a preview of what that file looked like. So here's the Word document. It's still a working Word document, and now is a preview of what that Word document looked like. I can actually choose to open the file here and work and edit on that file, the actual Word document, but I cannot edit this here. This is just a picture. So as you can see, I can click and drag. It's an image. I cannot alter this information. I could alter the information here, and then this information would sync up to look the same. So that's how you add a file onto the page. Again, you can add any types of file. It does not have to be a Microsoft file. This could be a PDF file, it could be a video file, an audio file. Any type of file can be added to any page in OneNote. And again, you can have as many files living on one page as well. There is a second way to do this. You also could go to the Insert ribbon, and on the Insert ribbon you have the ability to attach a file as well, much like you see in the other Office applications. And when you do it that way, you essentially browse to where you have the file located and saved, and then you insert the file that way. Again, you get the same option. So it's really just a matter of preference. So that's how you actually add files to OneNote. We have several other videos in this series, so if you're looking for how to do other things in OneNote, please check out one of our other videos. Thank you, have a great day, and again, I'm Robin Rivnetz, coming to you from the iCafe Studio.